I'm about to spill a secret that's going to save you a ton of money on wellness products. The gelatin trick is the real deal, and it's a fraction of the cost of those fancy supplements. Let me explain. You see, so many of us are spending a small fortune on pills and powders that promise the world, but at the end of the day, they're just not delivering. Meanwhile, the humble gelatin trick is quietly helping people wake up feeling fresher, with a flatter stomach, and more energy to tackle the day. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now, says it's been a total game changer. She's ditched the expensive probiotics and digestive enzymes, and her gut health has never been better. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of simple, everyday ingredients to support your body's natural rhythms, and it's amazing how much of a difference it can make. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below for a simple, easy-to-follow routine. And take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. You might just find that you can ditch those expensive supplements for good.